Ever invested with Stashaway and now wondering how to access your hard-earned returns? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking down the simple steps to withdraw your funds from Stashaway. Whether you're looking to rebalance your portfolio, make a large purchase, or simply cash out, we've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about withdrawal options. Stashaway offers a few ways to get your money back. Bank transfer, this is the most common method. Simply initiate a withdrawal request within the Stashaway app or website. You'll need to specify the amount and choose the bank account where you'd like the funds transferred. Redemption, for some investment plans, you may have the option to redeem your units. This involves converting your investment units back into cash, which is then transferred to your linked bank account. Now, let's walk through the steps. Log in, access your Stashaway account through the app or website. Navigate to withdrawals, locate the withdraw or redeem section. This is usually found in your account settings or portfolio overview. Enter the amount, carefully enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select withdrawal method, choose your preferred method, bank transfer or redemption. Confirm and submit, review the withdrawal details and confirm the request. Important notes. Processing time. Withdrawal processing times may vary depending on the method and your bank. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Stashaway may have minimum withdrawal limits for certain plans. Tax implications. Be mindful of any tax implications associated with your withdrawals. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.